To transfer USDT from Kucoin to Coinbase, start by opening the Kucoin app and clicking on the Assets option at the bottom of the screen. Select the account that currently holds the USDT, such as the funding account. Then, search for USDT on the screen, either by using the search option or scrolling down to find it. Once you've located it, click on it, and then click on the withdrawal option. Next, open the Coinbase app, click on the Transfer button, and select Receive Crypto. Search for USDT in the search bar. Select it from the search results aston, and click on the Copy button next to the wallet address. Return to the Kucoin app and paste the wallet address in the designated area. It's crucial to select the correct network, ensuring it matches the one used in Coinbase. For example, if the USDT is on the BNB network in Coinbase, select the BNB network in Kucoin as well. If the networks don't match, the cryptocurrency could be lost forever. After verifying the network, enter the withdrawal amount and click the Withdrawal button. The USDT will then be transferred from Kucoin to Coinbase. This process is quick and easy, so it's essential to follow the steps carefully to avoid any issues.